If you're preparing for the Virginia Alternative Energy Systems Contractor License Exam, this video is your complete exam roadmap. We'll walk you through how the exam works, the core topics you'll be tested on, and most importantly, how the official reference books are used so you can pass on your first attempt. This license allows you to legally install, modify, and maintain renewable energy systems like solar and wind through the Commonwealth of Virginia. Welcome to the One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Virginia contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Virginia prep materials towards the end of the short video. The Virginia Alternative Energy Systems Contractor License Exam is a trade-specific licensing exam. It evaluates your ability to safely and correctly install alternative energy systems. This includes photovoltaic, solar systems, wind energy components, electrical integration, structural considerations, and job site safety. The exam ensures contractors understand both technical installation and code compliance. Passing this exam is required before you can legally perform and operate an alternative energy contracting business in Virginia. So this is an open book exam, but that does not mean it's easy. Time management is crucial. You must know which book to use for each question and where to find the answers quickly. Contractors who fail usually don't fail on knowledge, they fail on book navigation and exam strategy. Every question on the Virginia Alternative Energy Systems exam comes directly from these approved reference books: the Code of Federal Regulations, the NFPA 70, the Photovoltaic Systems, Ugly Electrical References, NRCA Guidelines for Roof Systems with Rooftop Photovoltaic Components, Introduction to Wind Principles. Knowing how these books are organized is one of the biggest keys to passing. Here's how these books are actually used on the test. So the OSHA Part 1926 covers job site safety requirements, fall protection, electrical safety, scaffolding, PPE, and hazard prevention. So the NEC 70 is critical. Expect questions on grounding, bonding, overcurrent protection, disconnects, conductor sizing, inverters, and photovoltaic electrical integration. So the photovoltaic systems textbook focuses on solar fundamentals, system design, layout, module installation, wiring methods, performance, and maintenance. Ugly's electrical references used for quick calculations, formulas, conductor sizing, voltage drop, and electrical relationships. And this book also helps you save time on math-based questions. So the NRCA guidelines are used for rooftop installations, proper roof penetrations, waterproofing, load considerations, flashing, and protecting roof systems when installing solar arrays. And finally, Introduction to Wind Principles covers wind energy systems, turbine components, site considerations, wind characteristics, and system design principles. Based on the approved references, expect questions on all the things that we went over: solar, photovoltaic, system design, installation, wind energy principle and turbine components, electrical theory, wiring and calculations, grounding and bonding of renewable systems, rooftop solar installation, and roof protection. These are all applicable based questions, and this is not memorization. The most common reasons contractors fail this exam include not knowing which books to use, spending too much time searching for answers, skipping electrical calculations practices, and underestimating OSHA and NEC questions, and poor time management. Open book exams reward preparation, not guessing. So to pass this exam on your first attempt, you're going to need a strategy. First, organize and tab your book so you can move fast. Second, take practice exams so you understand question style and pacing. Third, focus on NEC navigation and OSHA familiarity. They make up a large portion of the test. When you prepare correctly, this exam is very manageable. So at One Exam Prep, we have lots of different ways you can study for this exam, but one of the most important things is getting the complete book set. The Alternative Energy Systems complete book set. If you use the code VA10AE at checkout, you will get 10% off this book set and the best prices in the industry. So the Virginia Alternative Energy Systems Contractor License allows you to legally bid renewable energy projects, pull permits, work with utilities and general contractors, and grow a compliant professional business in one of the fastest growing construction sectors. If you want help preparing for the Virginia Alternative Energy Systems Contractor exam, then visit oneexamprep.com, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more contractor licensing tips and prep videos, and we'll see you in the next video.